After a 1 year consolidation, Microsoft is almost ready to fly. In today's analysis, I will take a look at Microsoft looking at a higher time frame, showing you how you can capitalize on the next potential trading opportunity. If we take a look right here at the monthly chart of Microsoft, and we first of all determine the overall trend, you can see that for the past entire decade, Microsoft has clearly and strongly been trending towards the upside. I mean, just a couple of months ago, we saw the creation of another new all time high exactly at this psychological $450 level. But for the past entire year, Microsoft has also been overall consolidating. This has not been unexpected because if we look at market structure, you can clearly see that for the past 5 years now, Microsoft has been respecting and trading in this so-called rising channel formation. First of all, we do have this lower green support trend line, and always when Microsoft retested this lower green support, we saw a beautiful rejection way towards the upside, the last time being in the beginning of 2023 when Microsoft was also retesting previous resistance, which after the break towards the upside was simply turned support. And after we saw bullish confirmation inside of this level, I published a bunch of analysis explaining all the reasons for which I do expect this strong continuation towards the upside. If we then just go ahead and connect all of the previous significant all-time highs, we do get this upper parallel red resistance trend line. And just a couple of months ago, in mid 2024, Microsoft again retested this red resistance trend line. And after we saw bearish confirmation, it was again quite expected that we see at least a short-term rejection away towards the downside. What I'm specifically looking for right here on Microsoft is a simple all-time high break and retest. We do have this significant horizontal previous resistance, which actually acted as resistance twice in the past and is exactly at this psychological $350 level. With the recent strong impulse on Microsoft, obviously this previous resistance after the break towards the upside is now turned support. So if Microsoft actually comes back to retest this previous structure, we have the retest of a so-called confluence of support because we also have the lower support trend line of the rising channel. And if Microsoft then manages to create bullish confirmation, it's super likely that we actually see a bullish rejection away towards the upside. If you enjoyed today's analysis of Microsoft, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. I will certainly keep you updated regarding this potential and very promising break and retest on Microsoft. I will see you tomorrow with a fresh analysis. Just make sure you don't get caught up in any of the short-term volatility and you keep your long-term vision.